Welcome to Jeep Mudmaster. If you're a true adventurer with a passion for the wild roads, rugged terrains, and the luxury of motorhomes, you're in the right place. Today, we bring you a beast that blends elegance with exploration, the Bailey Motorhome. A vibrant combination of glossy bright red and crisp white, this 4x4 rugged beauty is built for both off-road might and on-road style. With a long body that means business and features that'll blow your mind, this one's a proper head-turner. Buckle up, because over the next few minutes, we're diving deep into every inch of this mobile masterpiece. Let's roll into the future of freedom. Exterior front view. Standing tall and proud in the official Bailey showroom, the front view of this motorhome commands attention. The company's iconic logo gleams right at the center grille, sitting above a reinforced front bumper and LED headlights that scream, "Let's go anywhere." The aerodynamic nose, robust stance, and raised ride height tell you this isn't just a camper, it's an all-terrain luxury tank. The glossy red and white paint job reflect the showroom lights like a mirror, giving it a showroom fresh charm you'll love at first sight. Let's take you around and show you what makes it even more powerful. Top side view. Now let's fly up for a top-down look. The rooftop is where innovation meets practicality. Two high-efficiency solar panels lie flat against the roofline, always ready to charge up your batteries off-grid. A compact digital antenna folds out to keep your signal strong, whether you're in a forest or desert. Right next to it is a streamlined air conditioning unit, custom-built for maximum cooling with minimal drag. The top is fully sealed and weatherproofed, making this motorhome ready for every climate, every season. The rooftop isn't just a roof, it's your personal power station. Back side view. Swinging around to the back, check this out. Perfectly mounted spare tire and a dual cycle carrier integrated into the body. Whether you're prepping for a muddy trail or a mountain biking weekend, this rig's got you covered. The rear ladder is securely attached for easy roof access, and rear sensors are subtly embedded for safety. Tail lights are large, modern, and placed high for visibility even in harsh conditions. The back isn't just the end, it's a base for more adventure. Smart, secure, and stylish. Side view. Looking down the side, here's where it truly turns into a mobile home. A retractable side awning stretches wide to create a cozy outdoor lounge. Under it, you'll find a roll-out mat, camping chairs, and an optional barbecue mount. Whether you're parked by a lake or in the middle of a valley, your side tent lets you enjoy the open air without baking in the sun. The bodywork here includes a subtle water-fill port, outdoor shower access, and sleek side windows tinted for privacy. This side setup makes the wild feel like home. Driving compartment. Slide into the cockpit, and it feels like stepping into a digital command center. The leather-wrapped captain seat swivel 360 degrees, and the dashboard features a touchscreen with navigation, media, and climate control. But the real highlight? Two LED monitors, one linked to a rear view cam, and the second acting as a side assist display. You're not just driving, you're commanding a luxury fortress on wheels. Everything is driver-centric, intuitive, and built for comfort over long distances. Whether you're navigating city streets or rugged backroads, this driving experience is king. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the cabin lies a cozy living zone that doubles as your sleeping quarters. A plush L-shaped sofa folds out into a full-size bed in seconds. No tools, no fuss. Surrounding it, overhead storage and smart lighting provide that homey feel even in the wild. USB ports, reading lamps, and thick blackout curtains ensure total comfort and privacy. Whether you're chilling after a long day or winding down for sleep, this space flexes exactly how you need it. It's all about space-saving design without compromising on comfort. Kitchen. Let's talk food. The kitchen area is compact but super functional. You've got a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with hot and cold water, a mini fridge with a freezer box, and even a microwave tucked above. Storage drawers pull out soft close, and a collapsible countertop adds prep space when needed. Right next to the sitting area, you can cook while chatting or watching a movie. And yes, there's a little spice rack too. This setup proves that even a tiny kitchen can cook up massive meals. Washroom. Tucked smartly into a corner is a Bailey surprisingly efficient washroom. It's a wet bar setup, meaning the shower and toilet share space, but it's laid out so cleverly, it doesn't feel cramped. You've got a fold-down sink, waterproof storage shelves, and even a small mirror cabinet. Ventilation is handled with a roof fan, and a small frosted window adds both light and privacy. It's tight, but it's mighty. You'll appreciate how every inch is used smartly, giving you a clean, private space wherever you park. There you have it, folks. The Bailey Motorhome, a powerhouse of comfort, tech, and off-road readiness. From a glossy exterior that turns heads to interiors that redefine compact luxury, this beast is built for freedom. With 4x4 wheels, rugged design, and all the essentials packed smartly inside, this isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle on wheels. And here's the kicker, it's yours starting at just £77,000. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you take this into the wild or across the country? Now do us a solid. Force that like button, slam subscribe, drop a comment, and share this with your fellow road warriors.